Sorry for the sound of my voice, but I have a bit of a cold. I just got a new bike. This time I bought a gravel bike. It's the giant Revolt Advanced 2, and I have to say I'm pretty amazed with that bike. I tested it on asphalt and gravel road, small single trails and path in the woods, and it's really performing perfect. So this is the Beauty, and I call it the Panther.